Hold them, man. Top of the bed there, I'm trust niggas around my nigga. Pushed off fake. Can't trust time. When you ride through the rack.
Gotta get my front windshield back re-tinted, man. Out here fish bowling for real. My size is tinted, but gotta get this one re-tinted. Some shit happened to it, man. I don't even want to talk about the shit, man. Yeah, we just gonna continue with this POV. Ass bump right here. Boom! So that's State Patrol. Put the phone down. Yeah, it was State Patrol. Got somebody. Even though I got 10, you just never know, man. That's just that's just law, man. There's a Jeep Summit. See, that's why I gotta get my front windshield tinted. Motherfuckers can't see me and shit recording. I need to set up my my front dash cam. I had one of my 300. Well, one of my 300s I had. Y'all know I had like down there shit. Yeah, chill out. Chill out. Y'all know, man, I had like damn near like 5 300s. Real shit though. Yeah, man, on this little nice little POV drive, it's nice as fuck out, man. Slide on my brother right quick. See what broski doing. See what broski and the dogs doing, man. Turn my motherfucking blinker on. I can actually turn while I'm sitting here looking goofy for real. Never mind, look. Look how quick he came. I'm good now. We good now. If I would have pulled out just like an inch, boy, shit would have been total. Yeah, man. A lot of that wind feel good as fuck. It's nice as fuck out here. Some nice ass shit, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. My city, you see detours everywhere. This is all you see. Road closed, detour. It's always some type of shit like that. Like, always. Workers ahead. I'm on a brick road right here. If anybody know who Paul Lawrence Dunbar is, I'm about to ride past his house that he used to stay in. Right here. Right here. If anybody know who that is. Y'all do comment down below. Let me know if y'all know who that is. That was the house that he stayed in, you know. You can tell it's super old over here, the brick road and shit. Super old. Get in my school zone. Be driving all fast right here. School right here. Yes, I'm taking that. What are you talking about? Sir. Gang, what's up with it, man? It's a whole nother day, man. We're just getting off work. That's what I'm about to start doing. I'm about to just start vlogging as soon as I leave work. Get some vlogs in. But yeah, man, I'm gonna start doing POV drives for a little bit. See how y'all fuck with the POV drives. Cause I'm always doing like the DIYs and shit. And like the how-to videos on how to do it yourself and shit. Damn, it's fuck. It's like taking forever. But yeah, man, I ain't about to do too much talking, man. I'm just gonna record me driving for real, man. Ain't gonna do too much talking. ATM right quick. Damn, they somebody delivering a crib. V8 right there, man. Stop over right here. And right here. They be flying past right here. You gotta watch out, boy. Stop at this ATM right quick. I'll turn the camera back on once I leave this ATM. And my city's so weak, they just close every fucking thing down, man. Riley's closed down right there. You got speed bumps literally on the fucking, one of the main roads of the city. If anybody knows Dayton, Ohio, know the fucking street Gettysburg, like, it's literally fucking speed bumps all up and down the street. Like, look, old Kroger's, that's been, they closed that Kroger's down probably like 10 years ago. What I said yesterday, it's always detour. Detour everywhere in my city, bro. Like, it's crazy. They've been working on this street for, I ain't gonna lie, they've been working on this street for the longest. How your whole suspension all fucked up, bro. Y'all see this street is fucked up. It's Well, I'm glad I'm in a Jeep, goddammit. Well, I ain't gonna say that, but I know these can hold a little bit more than a regular suspension on like the Chryslers, Chargers, Challengers and shit. Y'all see that Magnum? I mean, I'm tripping. The fucking Durango. I'm about to hop on his ass. This shit sounded good too. My dumb ass said Magnum. I ain't gonna lie, the Magnums is basically the little brothers of the fucking of the Durangos. But the Durangos sound good though, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I gotta get my fucking pipes cut. Well, this motherfucker quiet. I'm trying to get next to it. It's an RT Durango. Oh, this Mopar shit right here, Durango round 300 G. Ooh, that motherfucker clean, I ain't gonna lie. The red rims. That bitch hard. Shit. Raise these windows up, man. Damn TPMS sensors is fucking stupid. Oh yeah, man, my damn check engine light is on because my air intake temperature sensor, one of the wires is like, they got fucked up and I had to order a new pigtail, so I'm waiting on that to come in. That's why my check engine light is on. Yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and end this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell, man, so y'all miss none of my videos. That's the most important thing, man, is to subscribe to me, man. I greatly appreciate that shit, for sure. And I'm gonna continue to drop some more POVs. I'm gonna get with y'all on the next one. Yes, sir.